In this video, we are going to discuss something about unit of rate constant. Generally, unit of rate constant, they will ask many questions related to this unit of rate constant. In the last video, we will discuss something about order of reaction and problems related order of reaction. And order of reaction we can also found from the unit of rate constant. Suppose we have the general relationship for the unit of rate constant. So to mention the unit of rate constant, we can follow this general relation: mole per liter power n minus 1, mole per liter power 1 minus n per second. Here the per second is common for everything. So this is the general relationship will gives you a value of unit of rate constant. We can also, the liter may be represented as decimeter cube. So therefore mole per decimeter cube power 1 minus n per second. So many descriptions like that: mole power 1 minus n, liter power n minus 1. So we have simplified it. We will follow this one. And sometimes mole per liter given as per mole. So therefore mole power 1 minus n per second, because capital M describe mole per decimeter cube or mole per liter. So simply we give molar, mole per decimeter cube, so molar per second. So we can follow this one. And some description may some books we will describe mole power 1 minus n, liter power n minus 1 per second. So whatever it may be, so you can simply follow this one. Like we have some confusion which has 1 minus n and which has n minus 1. Sometimes we may write wrongly 1 minus n, n minus 1, you substitute wrong manner. So simply you follow mole per liter power 1 minus n per second. So it gives you a general relationship for the unit of rate constant. Based on this unit of rate constant, you can calculate unit for any type of order of reaction. Suppose if n is equal to 0, you just assume n is equal to 0. Take any one as, you simply take it as mole per liter per n minus 1. So mole per liter 1 minus, here n is equal to 0 per second. So you will have the answer mole per liter power 1 per second. So mole per liter per second or mole per decimeter cube per second, or that's simply mole, that's simply m power m minus 1. So this is a unit for zero order rate constant. If you found any unit like this, you simply you say it is a zero order reaction. Suppose n is equal to 1. Simply you just substitute mole per liter power 1 minus 1 per second. So we will have the 0 mole per liter, anything power 0 value is 1. So we will have the answer per second. So you have the unit per second only for first order reaction. Suppose you take n is equal to 2. Here mole per liter 1 minus 2 per second. So we will have the answer mole per liter 1 minus 2, so minus 1 per second. Minus 1 we will have per mole liter per second. In terms of decimeter cube, per mole decimeter cube per second. So simply like this. So this is where this will give you an expression for second order reaction. Suppose you simply put in here, you will have the 1 minus 2 per mole per second. Per mole per second in the sense per mole. So per mole decimeter cube per second, you will have the order for second order reaction. So this is the theoretical concept behind your unit of rate constant. So we will have the simple formula mole per liter power 1 minus n per second. The liter may be depicted as a decimeter cube, or simply mole per liter you can simply put as capital M. So you have the general relation. You put the value of n here, you will have the answer which order has a which type of relation. So many problems asked related regarding this unit of reaction. They will give you a rate constant with the unit and they will ask what is the order of the reaction. We will discuss the problem one by one. Now consider this problem. In this problem they will give in a kinetic experiment, the observed rate law was minus dc by dt is equal to kc power 1 by 2. The unit of the rate constant would be, so the 4 option is given. We can omit some options, we can get some get correct answer. We can omit. We will discuss in the TN chapter whatever the unit, the second will be per second only. So you can just omit this. This is not answer because the second power second power minus 1 by 2. So this will not come because the second is always per second only. So you can just omit this option. We have other 3 options per second, m power 1 by 2 per second, m power minus 1 by 2 per second. Okay, so how to find? We will have the general order, mole per liter, power 1 minus n per second. So we have the 3 options now, the per second. We can omit per second also because per second is a first order unit for first order. But we have the order power 1 by 2. How to found the power? The order is 1 by 2. In experiment, this is observed rate law. So observed rate law, it is experimentally observed rate law is c power 1 by 2. So we know the order. Order is nothing but the sum of the powers of the concentration term raised in the experimentally derived rate law expression. This is experimentally derived rate law expression. We have the concentration term and its power 1 by 2. So you simply put n is equal to 1 by 2. Mole per liter 1 minus 1 by 2 per second. Here they give us capital M instead of mole per liter. So simply you put M power because mole per liter is per mole. So you simply mole per liter is equal to per mole. So therefore this molar is given 1 minus 1 by 2. So we will have the answer half. 1 minus 1 by 2 half per second. So M power 1 by 2 per second is the answer. So option is B is the correct option for the given rate expression. So the rate expression is given. From the rate expression you can found the order because in the rate law expression the power will gives you a order of reaction. Here order of reaction is half 1 by 2. We will have the general expression mole per liter power 1 minus n per second. Mole per liter simply you put a capital M. So therefore capital M power 1 minus 1 by 2 per second. You will have the answer M power 1 by 2 per second. This is for option given. So you can omit 2 options. This is per second power minus 1 by 2. You can just omit because second is always per second only. And the per second this is always for first order. Here order is 1 by 2. So you just omit this and this omit. So you can choose the options. So from the 4 options you can omit 2 options. We have only 2 options. From the 2 options you can easily get the answer from the given data. So by this way the order of the reaction you can find because the unit is we know the unit general expression for unit. We have the order of expression. So order and the unit of the reaction is related by this way. And there are some direct questions also available. So how the direct questions are asked based on the order of the reaction. Next one, direct question is given. The velocity constant of the reaction. So velocity constant, which is nothing but your rate constant. The velocity constant K for a reaction. This is so TNPSC question. Velocity constant K of a reaction is given has a unit. The velocity constant of a reaction has a unit. The unit is given per mole per second. So what is the order of the reaction they are asking? So simply this is TNPSC question. Velocity constant of the reaction is given per mole per second is unit. What is the order of the reaction? Already we discussed mole per second, which is equal to your n is equal to 0. If n is equal to 1, we have the per second. If n is equal to 2, we have the per mole per second. So the option is the unit is given per mole per second. So per mole per second belongs to order, the second order reaction. So here order of that particular reaction is 2. This is your answer. Order of reaction is 2. This is direct question. And one more question is asking, what is the unit of rate constant for nth order reaction? Unit of rate constant for nth order reaction. So we already have general relation nth order mole per liter per second or 1 minus n, or the liter may be replaced by per second. Sorry, liter may be replaced by decimeter cube, or it may be replaced with the whole mole per liter is replaced by capital M power 1 minus n. So they give you 4 options. What are the options is given? This is also a TNPC question. Decimeter cube power 2n minus 1, mole power 1 minus n per second. This is one option. And second option, decimeter cube power n minus 1, mole power 1 minus n per second. Third option, decimeter cube power 1 minus 1 by n, mole power 1 minus n per second. And the fourth option, mole power n minus 1, decimeter cube power 3n minus 1 per second. And first we have to omit some options. See, second, all the units are per second. So based on the per second, we cannot omit. And see the mole option. Here the mole option, we have only 1 and n in the equation. 1 and n in the equation. So here they describe 3n minus 1. So you can just omit the option. You can just omit. This is not answer, you just omit. And also we have the relation 1 minus n only. So there is 1 minus n or n minus 1, whatever it may be. See, 1 minus 1 by n is given. So this is also not a correct option. You can just omit this option also. And another one, 2n minus 1 here. We have 1 and n only. So this is also a wrong answer. So based on this, we can select decimeter cube power n minus 1, mole power 1 minus n per second. So you just multiply here mole power 1 minus n. So here mole power 1 minus n. Here liter power n minus 1, because here the liter is replaced here as decimeter cube. So decimeter cube power n minus 1. Another one is per second is there. So like this direct questions also possible. These both are TNPSC questions. Here another problem, GATE 2007 question. The value of the rate constant for the gas phase reaction 2NO2 plus F2 gives 2NO2F is 38 decimeter cube per mole per second at 300 Kelvin. What is the order of the reaction? This is GATE 2007 question. So there is no information is given for regarding this rate constant, rate value, concentration, nothing is given. Only the rate constant value is given. So what is the value of rate constant? R is equal to 38 decimeter cube per mole per second. So from the value you cannot discuss the order of reaction. From the unit you can found the order of reaction. So what the order is given? We know we have the general formula, mole per decimeter cube power 1 minus n per second. So just apply. So if n is equal to 2 means you will have the per mole decimeter cube per second. So order of the reaction here 2. So order is equal to 2 simply you put. So this belongs to second order reaction. This is one GATE question. Okay. So like this also they will ask many questions related to your order of the reaction and unit related problem. Okay. So only they will ask a directly what is the unit of the reaction, unit of first order reaction, unit of second order reaction, unit of second order, third order, fourth order, fifth order, like this. Generally higher order reactions are not possible. This is we will discuss in later by collision theory. Here in general, for any general reaction, you have the relation mole per decimeter cube power 1 minus n per second. Use this one for any type of n reaction. If it is a fractional order or it is maybe a whole integer order, 0 order, first order, second order, 1/2 order, 3/2 order, 5/2 order, whatever it may be possible, you can use this one. So we will discuss what are the possible problems related to order of the reaction related to unit. So unit and order related by this expression. From this expression, you can they will ask questions either directly or some indirect questions or some derivated questions. Okay, so these are all the questions possible related to unit and order of the reaction. Thank you very much. We will discuss another concepts later by the later videos.